No tractor, no problem. Harrow was given by our friends Drew and Steph. Man like Caleb, this was our old firing paddock. Just going over it. It's the rain we've had recently softened the ground a bit, so we're just tickling over, and then hopefully that helps grass growth. I've always said that because the land we're on is quite compacted, I don't want to use too much heavy machinery. Obviously the truck's much lighter than a tractor, and yeah, and it's much cheaper doing this than having a tractor or a contractor coming to do it for such a small field. So yeah, it's doing the job, and you can see the difference compared here compared to there where it's not been done. And Caleb will probably go over it 2 or 3 times, and hopefully yeah, we'll get some decent grass growth. It's already started growing back. Not bad. Don't worry about the straightness. So long as every part is done, I don't really care how straight it is. Ninja's coming to inspect the work. I did the headland first. Check me out with the lingo. And then just doing I think it's called field work, I can't remember. So yeah, Caleb will probably go 2 or 3 times. See how we get on. Hey Ninjalettes. Go and have a look at these lot. See how many piglets number 3 is left with after her lay on spree. These lot are out somewhere. Sister, why are you in Miss Independence paddock? Hey Ninjalettes. See how many you've got, you... Oh, can't believe her. Three left. Out of 7. Well done, mate. Enjoy your last session in the firing paddock.